The mixer stops, and a giant 50-kilogram smooth dough ball is lifted out. The texture is perfect.
The long sheet of dough passes through a light misting tunnel to ensure it stays pliable and doesn't crack before the Mega Crunch Industrial Samosa is shaped.
A shot of a hydraulic press with a grid plate crushing the cooked potatoes into a chunky mash. We keep some chunks for the traditional Mega Crunch Industrial Samosa feel.
The spicy filling is spread onto long, vibrating cooling belts. This prevents the dough from getting soggy during the Mega Crunch Industrial Samosa assembly.
The dough circles are sliced in half, creating the classic semicircle shape needed for the Mega Crunch Industrial Samosa fold.
The samosas pass through a quick chill tunnel. This sets the dough so it stays crispy when it hits the oil.
A metal mesh belt keeps the samosas submerged so they cook evenly on all sides. They start turning from white to light yellow.
The samosas move onto a vibrating mesh belt. This shakes off the excess surface oil, making the Mega Crunch Industrial Samosa healthier and less greasy.
A mechanical press crimps the bottom of the cone, creating the iconic triangular shape of the Mega Crunch Industrial Samosa.
Each samosa passes over a rapid scale. Any underfilled Mega Crunch Industrial Samosa is gently pushed off the line.
The hot samosas travel up a massive spiral conveyor to cool down slowly, preserving the internal moisture of the potato masala.
The Mega Crunch Industrial Samosas enter a blast freezer at -40 degrees Celsius. This locks in the freshness and flavor instantly.
Sensors count the samosas as they drop into the packaging chutes in groups of 10 or 20.
A burst of nitrogen gas is injected into the bag to remove oxygen, keeping the Mega Crunch industrial samosas fresh for months.
And then the dog jumps right into the pool.
Oh, I can't believe that happened. He was soaking wet.